everyone, this is Daisy Margaret.
In today's video, we are about to discuss Class 6, Term 3, Unit 3, Chemistry in Everyday Life, Part 4. Topics to be discussed: Phenol, adhesives, type of adhesives. Phenol. Have you ever observed the oily material which is used to clean your house? Do you know what it is? It is a chemical named as phenol. So, the oily material, the liquid that we use to clean our house, it is nothing but it is a chemical named as phenol. Phenol is a carbolic acid of an organic compound. It is a necessary ingredient for preparing variety of phenol products. The molecular formula of phenol is C6H5OH. It is a weak acid. It is volatile white crystalline powder. So it is a colorless solution but changes into red in the presence of dust. It irritates when exposed on human skin. It is widely used for industrial purposes. Phenol itself is used in low concentrations, that is, in mouthwash and as disinfectant in household cleaners. Phenol used as a surgical antiseptic since it kills microorganisms. So phenol, it has a wide range of use. It is used in industrial purposes. It is also used in low concentration in mouthwash and household cleaners, and also it is used in surgical antiseptic to kill the microorganisms. Adhesives. What will you do when a page of your book is torn accidentally? It can be fixed by using a sellotape. How sellotape works? There is a paste-like material in one surface of the sellotape. Have you ever discussed about this material? So the paste-like substance is called adhesive. It is commonly known as glue, mucilage or paste. The substances apply to one surface or both the surfaces of two separate items that binds them together and resist their separation are called adhesives. So, what are adhesives? Adhesives are substances that are used to join two or more components together through attractive forces acting across the interfaces. So, the simple example is the paste or the glue that you use to paste your pages, okay, or the thing that you use to do some craft things. What you will do, you will be applying the glue or gum and you will be pasting the two components together, isn't it? So adhesives are the substances that are used to join two or more components together through attractive forces acting across those interfaces. So you can see here, these are the various types of adhesives. So you can see a paste, sellotape, it is in the form of liquid. So these are the different types of adhesives. A practical experience. Do you notice how puncture of your bicycle is repaired by the shopkeeper? He ensures the punctured surfaces are clean, dry, and free of dust, and roughens the area around the hole using metal scraper. He takes an appropriate patch of tire tube and applies a suitable adhesive to both the roughened area and to the underside of the patch. Apply firm pressure and allows drying completely. Why does he apply pressure? This increases the adhesive capacity at both the surfaces and ensures proper binding. So, in the cycle shops, in the puncture of your tires, you would have observed that the shopkeeper, he will be applying the suitable adhesive on both the sides, that is the roughened area and the underside of the patch, and he will be applying some pressure and he allows to dry it completely. So why he is applying pressure? Because the pressure increases the capacity of the adhesive at the both the surfaces and ensures a proper binding. Types of adhesives. There are two kinds of adhesives. One is natural made from starch, and other one is artificial made from chemicals. The one used in puncture shop is an artificial adhesive. So we have two kinds of adhesives, one is natural and one is artificial. So the natural thing, it is made from the starch, and the other is made from the chemicals. That is, the artificial adhesives are made from the chemicals. The one we used in the puncture shop is the artificial adhesive. Artificial adhesives may be classified in a variety of ways depending on their utilities. Their forms are paste, liquid, film, pellets, tape. It is used in various conditions such as hot melt, reactive hot melt, thermosetting, pressure sensitive, and contact. So the artificial adhesives, it is classified in a variety of ways depending on their utilities, depending on their uses. They have in the form of paste, liquid, film, and pellets, and also tape. It is used in various conditions, in hot melt, in reactive hot melt, in thermosetting, pressure sensitive, and contact. Okay, these are the various conditions where the artificial adhesives are used. Try to remember, soaps are prepared by heating the mixture of olive oil, animal fat, concentrated sodium hydroxide solutions. Fertilizers facilitates the growth of plants. Vermicompost has high nutrient benefits and it is useful for sustaining the land fertility. Cement is manufactured by using lime, clay, and gypsum. Plaster of Paris is used to fix bone fractures. Diluted phenol is used as a cleaner, disinfectant, and mouthwash. Adhesives are the substances that are used to join two or more components together. With this, we complete Unit 3 Chemistry in Everyday Life. Summary of the video: we discussed about phenol, adhesives, and types of adhesives.
If you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.